February often feels like a pause button in the garden. The trees are quiet, the soil feels cold, and many people believe gardening should wait until spring. But experienced gardeners know something important. February is not a waiting month. It is a preparation month. What you plant in February decides how early your harvest starts, how healthy your plants grow, and how beautiful your garden looks in spring. Welcome to GROWX Green. In today's video, I'll show you 10 powerful plants you can grow in February in the United States. These plants are easy for beginners, good for your health, useful in daily cooking, and visually beautiful in the garden. I'll explain how to plant them, how to care for them, common beginner mistakes, and why February is the right time. Let's start. Plant 1 spinach. Spinach is one of the safest plants for beginners. It is a cool season vegetable that does not like heat. If spinach is planted late, it grows too fast, becomes bitter, and fails. February gives spinach cool soil and slow growth, exactly what it needs. Always grow spinach from seeds, never from cuttings. Sprinkle seeds directly into loose soil. Before planting, mix compost into the soil. This improves drainage and gives gentle nutrition. Spinach needs 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. Too much sun dries the leaves. Water lightly but consistently. The soil should stay moist, not wet. Common mistake: flooding the soil. Spinach supports eye health, heart health, and immunity. It is rich in iron and vitamins. In the kitchen, spinach is extremely flexible. Salads, eggs, soups, smoothies. In the garden, spinach adds fresh green color early in the season. Plant 2. Carrots. Carrots love cool soil and slow growth. That is why February planting produces sweeter carrots. Carrots must always be grown from seeds. Never transplant carrot plants, it damages the root. The soil must be deep, soft, and stone-free. Hard soil causes crooked carrots. Carrots need full sun, around 6 hours daily. Water gently and evenly. Uneven watering causes cracked roots. Beginner mistake: shallow soil. Carrots improve eyesight, skin health, and digestion. In the kitchen, boiled, roasted, juiced, or raw. Above ground, carrot leaves add soft greenery. Plant 3. Strawberries. Strawberries are loved everywhere. February is ideal for planting young strawberry plants, not seeds. Seeds take too long and confuse beginners. Use rich, well-draining soil. Wet soil causes root disease. Strawberries need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. Water deeply, but not daily. Let the soil dry slightly between watering. Common mistake: daily watering. Strawberries are full of antioxidants. They support heart health and immunity. In the garden, white flowers and red fruit bring beauty and joy. Plant 4. Peas. Peas are fast-growing climbing plants. They love cool weather and fail in heat. Plant peas directly from seeds. No transplanting. The soil should be loose and fertile. Provide simple support like a trellis. Water lightly and regularly. Mistake: over-fertilizing. Peas provide plant protein and fiber. In the kitchen, soups, rice dishes, stir-fries. Pea vines add vertical beauty to the garden. If this video is helping you, like it. Subscribe to GROWX Green. It helps this channel grow. Plant 5. Pansies. Winter color booster. Pansies are one of the best winter flowers for cool climates. They love cold weather and actually grow better when temperatures stay low. February is an ideal time to plant pansy seedlings, especially in regions with mild winters or early spring. Pansies prefer well-draining soil rich in organic matter. If the soil holds too much water, their roots can rot quickly. Plant them in a spot that receives morning sunlight and light afternoon shade. Too much harsh sun can fade their colors. Water pansies only when the top layer of soil feels dry. Big mistake: overwatering. This is the fastest way to kill pansies. These flowers come in vibrant colors like purple, yellow, blue, white, and mixed shades. They instantly brighten dull winter gardens and containers. Pansies also attract early-season pollinators, like bees. Some varieties are edible and are often used as decoration in salads, desserts, and drinks. For best results, remove dead flowers regularly. This encourages more blooms and keeps the plant healthy and compact. Pansies are perfect for borders, pots, and balcony gardens. Plant 6. Mint, fast-growing and powerful herb. Mint is one of the easiest and fastest-growing herbs you can plant. It grows aggressively and spreads quickly, which is why mint should always be grown in a pot, not directly in the ground. Mint prefers moist, well-draining soil and partial sunlight. Too much direct sun can burn the leaves, while too much shade slows growth. February is a great time to start mint indoors or outdoors in mild climates. Water mint regularly, but never let the soil stay soggy. Healthy mint plants produce bright green, fragrant leaves. Mint is famous for its health benefits. It helps digestion, reduces stress, freshens breath, and supports respiratory health. Many people also use mint leaves in home remedies. In the kitchen, mint is incredibly versatile. It's used in teas, lemon drinks, sauces, chutneys, and desserts. Fresh mint leaves instantly enhance flavor. Trim mint regularly to keep it bushy and prevent flowering. With proper care, mint stays green almost all year and keeps producing fresh leaves continuously. Plant 7. Grapes, long-term garden investment. February is the perfect time to plant grapevines because the plants are dormant. You can use bare root grape plants or healthy cuttings for best results. Grapes need well-draining soil and a location with 7 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Sunlight is critical for fruit development and sweetness. Water deeply once a week so the roots grow strong and deep. Common mistake: shallow watering, which weakens the plant. Grapevines require support, such as trellises, fences, or wires. This improves air circulation and fruit quality. Grapes are rich in antioxidants and support heart health. They can be eaten fresh, dried into raisins, or used for juices. Although grapes take time to mature, they reward patience. Once established, grapevines can produce fruit for many years and also provide natural shade, making them both productive and decorative garden plants. Plant 8. Garlic, small clove, big power. Garlic is one of the most powerful and easy to grow crops. February planting works well in regions with mild winters. Plant garlic cloves pointed side up and space them properly so bulbs can grow fully. Use loose, fertile soil and a location with full sunlight. Water lightly and consistently. Garlic does not like heavy watering. Overwatering can cause fungal problems. Garlic is known for boosting immunity, fighting infections, and supporting heart health. It's a natural antibiotic and has been used for centuries. In the kitchen, garlic is essential. Almost every cuisine uses it for flavor and aroma. Garlic greens, also called shoots, can be harvested early and used like green onions. Garlic plants also look neat and organized in garden beds, making them both useful and visually pleasing. Plant 9. Lettuce, fast and beginner-friendly. Lettuce is a cool season vegetable that grows quickly and easily. February weather is perfect for lettuce growth. You can plant lettuce seeds directly in the soil or use young seedlings. Lettuce prefers partial sunlight and slightly moist soil. Avoid letting the soil dry out completely, as lettuce leaves can turn bitter. Mulching helps retain moisture. Lettuce supports hydration, digestion, and weight control because it's low in calories and high in water content. Harvest outer leaves regularly instead of pulling the whole plant. This allows continuous growth. Lettuce is ideal for salads, sandwiches, wraps, and burgers. Homegrown lettuce tastes fresher and is free from chemicals. It's perfect for raised beds, containers, and small gardens. Plant 10. Green onions. Endless harvest plant. Green onions are one of the easiest plants for beginners. You can grow them from seeds or simply replant kitchen leftovers. They grow well in partial sunlight and don't require deep soil. Water regularly but lightly. One of the best things about green onions is that you can harvest them multiple times from the same plant. Just cut what you need, and they grow back again. Green onions are rich in vitamins and support immunity. They add fresh flavor without overpowering dishes. In the kitchen, they are used in soups, eggs, stir-fries, noodles, and salads. Green onions grow fast and are perfect for small spaces, pots, and balconies. They give quick results, which keeps beginners motivated. February is not empty. It is the foundation of a healthy garden. These 10 plants feed your body, support your kitchen, and prepare your garden for spring. Subscribe to GROWX Green. Comment below. Which plant are you growing this February?